My name is Emily, and I love spending my Saturdays in the Central Park. The weather today is absolutely perfect for an outdoor adventure. The sky is bright blue, and the sun feels warm on my face. I wear my favorite pink cardigan and carry a very interesting book. My goal is to find a quiet place to read and relax. The park is full of tall green trees and colorful spring flowers. I walk slowly and enjoy the fresh smell of the cut grass. Many people are walking their dogs or playing with their children. I see a young man sitting on a wooden bench near the big oak tree. He has sandy blonde hair and wears a dark green polo shirt. He looks very busy because he is writing something in a large book. Logic tells me that he is a student or perhaps an office worker. I find a free spot on the same bench, but on the left side. I smile politely at him, and he nods back with a kind look. His name tag on the bag says Lucas, which is a very nice name. I am satisfied with this peaceful corner of the beautiful park. I open my book and start to read the first chapter carefully. The birds are singing high in the branches above our heads. Everything looks organized, clean, and very high quality around us. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration today. My brown eyes follow the lines of the text on the white paper. I am a proactive teacher, so I always look for new stories. The atmosphere is stable, calm, and very comfortable for my mind. Lucas is very quiet, and he does not disturb my reading at all. I am satisfied with the quality of the silence in this moment. Sometimes I look up to see the white clouds moving across the sky. The park is a sanctuary for people who live in the busy city. I feel very lucky to have this free time for my hobbies. My heart is light, and I am ready for a long afternoon. We are moving to the middle of my favorite story. I am reading for 30 minutes, and the story is very emotional. Every detail of the plot is logical and very easy to imagine. I decide to take a short break and look at my surroundings. Lucas is still sitting next to me, but he is not writing. He is drawing something with a long graphite pencil in his hand. He moves his hand very fast and looks at the lake frequently. I am satisfied with the quality of his focus and his mastery. I am a curious person, so I try to see his wooden sketchbook. He notices my look and smiles a little bit, but stays silent. I am satisfied with the friendly and respectful distance between us. The sun is higher, and the shadows are shorter on the ground. I see a group of white swans swimming slowly in the pond. Everything looks like a high-quality scene from a classic movie. I feel very stable and calm in this high-quality atmosphere. Lucas is a very talented artist, according to his movements. I believe that art is a beautiful way to express our feelings. My pink cardigan is soft, and I feel very cozy on the bench. I want to ask him about his drawings, but I am a bit shy. Logic says that it is better to wait for a natural moment. The air is full of the sweet aroma of jasmine and roses. I am Emily, and I am enjoying the simple beauty of the day. I am satisfied with the proactive and peaceful rhythm of the park. Every second of this rest is a high-quality memory for me. I look at my book again, but I think about the drawings. I am a proactively thinking woman, and I like creative people. The world around us is ultra-detailed and full of life today. Lucas changes his pencil and starts to add dark shadows. I am satisfied with the stable and creative energy of our bench. The wind starts to blow a little bit stronger through the trees. We are moving to a sudden and very surprising moment. Suddenly, a strong wind blows through the park and the trees. My paper bookmark flies out of my book and into the air. I stand up quickly and try to catch it with my hand. Oh no! My favorite bookmark is flying away. I shout. Lucas is very proactive and reacts faster than a professional athlete. He jumps up and catches the small paper near the green bush. He walks back to me and holds the bookmark with a big smile. I think this belongs to you. Miss, he says very politely. I am satisfied with his fast reaction and his very kind gesture. His blue eyes are bright, and his sandy hair is a bit messy. Thank you very much, Lucas, as you are a real hero today, I say. He looks surprised that I know his name from the bag. We both laugh, and the atmosphere becomes very friendly and open. Logic tells me that this is the perfect moment for a real talk. I introduce myself as Emily, a teacher from the local school. He says that he is a student of architecture and loves to draw. Everything looks organized, logical, and very positive right here. I am satisfied with the quality of our first verbal interaction. We decide to sit back down on the bench together today. I feel a lot of positive and creative energy in my heart. My pink cardigan is fine, and my book is safe in my hands. Lucas tells me that he comes to this park every single Saturday. I tell him that this is also my favorite place for my hobbies. Every detail of our meeting feels very natural and very stable. I am satisfied with the friendly support he showed me just now. The wind is calmer, and the sun is shining on our bench again. I am Emily, and I am happy to meet such a proactive friend. We are moving to look at the secret pages of the sketchbook. He offers to show me his work if I am really interested. We are moving to the world of art and pencils. Lucas opens his wooden sketchbook and places it on his knees. I look at the pages, and I am absolutely satisfied with the quality. There are drawings of old buildings, trees, and people in the city. Every line is very clear, detailed, and full of professional mastery. This is ultra-realistic and very beautiful, Lucas, I tell him. He shows me a drawing of a bridge he wants to build one day. Logic says that he has a very great future in architecture. I am satisfied with the creative and high-quality flow of his art. Everything looks organized, stable, and very mastery on the paper. I show him the photos of my classroom and my students on my phone. I tell him that teaching is also a very creative and hard job. We share a logical thought about the importance of our passions. I am Emily, and I feel very inspired by his amazing talent. The atmosphere is full of mutual respect and very deep interest. We talk about the colors of the park and the light of the sun. Lucas says that the best light for drawing is in the late afternoon. I agree because the golden hour makes everything look like magic. I am satisfied with the quality of our long and interesting talk. We spend an hour looking at the sketches and sharing our dreams. Every detail of the drawings tells a story about a different place. I feel very comfortable and very safe with my new friend Lucas. He says that he wants to draw a portrait of someone today. I laugh and ask if he wants to draw the swans on the pond. He looks at me and says that the swans are too busy eating. I am satisfied with his funny and very light sense of humor. We decide to go to the water to see the birds much closer. I am a proactive person, so I suggest buying some bread for them. We stand up and walk towards the small kiosk near the entrance. The park is still busy, but we are in our own world. We are moving to feed the birds at the sparkling pond. We reach the edge of the water, and the view is very mastery. The pond is like a mirror, reflecting the trees and the sky. I have a small bag of bread, and Lucas is ready with his camera. I throw the first piece of bread, and a swan swims towards me. "Look, Lucas, they are so elegant and very calm," I whisper. He takes a high-quality photo of the swan with his smartphone. Logic tells me that animals make the park feel very alive and real. I am satisfied with the quality of the interaction with nature. Everything looks organized, beautiful, and very peaceful around us. I feel a lot of positive energy and stable joy in this moment. My pink cardigan catches the golden light of the setting sun. Lucas says that the birds are the best models for his sketches. I am Emily, and I am happy to help him find some inspiration. We share the bread and watch the ducks swimming in a line. Every second of this evening is ultra-detailed and full of life. The atmosphere is very romantic, quiet, and absolutely magical. I am satisfied with the quality of the friendship we started today. We talk about our favorite places for traveling in the future. Lucas wants to see the old stone castles in Scotland and Ireland. I want to see the modern libraries and the schools in Finland. We are both proactive and ambitious people with many big goals. The sun is now a large orange ball behind the high-quality trees. The sky is changing colors to deep pink and bright purple. I feel very lucky to be in the park at this exact hour. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we built. Every detail of the sunset is reflected in the quiet water. Lucas says that it is the most beautiful evening of the spring. I agree with him and feel very calm and very successful. We finish the bread and watch the birds fly to their nests. We are moving to the exit of the park for a final goodbye. We walk back to the main gates of the park under the stars. The city lights are starting to glow in the dark evening air. I am Emily, and I feel very satisfied with my successful Saturday. We stop near the large fountain that is glowing with blue light. "Thank you for the wonderful company today, Lucas," I say warmly. He smiles and holds his sketchbook tightly to his green polo. "The pleasure was mine, Emily. I hope to see you again soon," he says. Logic says that a good day with a friend is the best medicine. I am a proactive woman, so I suggest meeting again next week. Lucas agrees and says he will bring a new drawing for me to see. I am satisfied with the quality of this promise and this friendship. Everything feels very stable, high quality, and very friendly here. I wave my hand as I walk towards the bus stop near the park. I see Lucas waving back until he turns the corner of the street. My pink cardigan is a bit cold now, but my heart is very warm. Every detail of the park at night is ultra-real and very beautiful. I am satisfied with the quality of my life and my new connection. I reach my apartment and put my book on the bedside table. My story about a day in the park ends with a big, happy smile. I am a proactively thinking woman who values real human moments. I feel very energetic and ready for the new working week. I am satisfied with the stable and supportive feelings in my mind. The stars are shining outside my window, bright and clear today. Life is a beautiful book, and today was a very special page. I close my eyes and think about the swans and the sketches. I am Emily, and I am looking forward to the next Saturday. Every second of this day was a high-quality gift for me. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I will have a very peaceful rest. Good night, Park, and thank you for the magic and the art. I am ready for the new dreams and the new adventures.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.